Hello, in this video we're gonna check if POCO M5 has a stereo speakers. So to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. On top there's nothing, there's a phone call speaker right here, and on the bottom we can find one speaker as well. Right and left, nothing, in the back also nothing. So to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of them, that means this device has a stereo speaker. If not, that's a mono speaker. So now let's try that. So clearly the sound is coming from the bottom speaker only, and that would mean this device has a mono speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.